let's just say this season for Julien Beaumer has started off incredible. From second or P2 at A1 to now the win in San Diego. Correct me if I'm wrong. I believe this is going to give him the points lead with probably Jordan Smith second and Shimoda third. Maybe I'm wrong on that. But if I am, comment down below, tell me whatever. But you gotta say it for him. Huge start to this year. I think it's his second year as a pro. You know, he is proving that he is young, super competitive, and a title contender. And yes, you do have to say, you know, Deegan's had problems. Obviously, Shimoda's had a problem this race. The two of the favorites are not doing what they should be, but this is how you win titles. You are on the podium, you are winning, you are consistent, and everybody else has problems. And at this point, he is a title contender. You got to give it to him, being a young kid and right up there. And I mean, this race proved that it's not just luck. You know, he got around Cole Davies and he held the lead. Jordan Smith was, I guess you could say, catching him, but he didn't slow down. He didn't make any mistakes. He didn't, let the pressure get to him. Stayed up front, got the P1, and you gotta say, great start to the year for him. Huge for the team, huge for him. Confidence, has got to be through the roof at the moment. And we'll see how the rest of this year goes. It's going to be a good one, I think. I'm super excited for this. Supercross is back, and it's the best time of year possible. But this is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. What do you think of A1, San Diego? You excited for A2? Who do you think is going to win the titles? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.